guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is having an amazing day today. If you're new here, hi, my name's Becca. It's so nice to meet you. I hope you find something interesting about the video. Possibly hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and leave me a comment. Tell me how your day's going. Tell me if you still do Boxycharm. Tell me something. Anyway, as you read by the title, we are doing the Boxycharm base box for August 2021. Now this is a $25 a month subscription box where you get 5 full-size beauty items. They are gearing a little bit towards skincare anymore. You do get to pick one item out of here, and for the most part, Boxycharm is good bang for your buck. I mean, you get 5 products, whether it be makeup, skincare, hair care, beauty tools, what have you. I think it's a great deal. You get well over what your box is worth. I mean, if you've not tried it, I highly suggest checking it out. But before we start the unboxing, I do want to tell you that I did try out the Manny X Morphe palette. Oh, it came out so pretty, and I used 3 mattes and 1 shimmer. If you've seen my Boxycharm add-on video, then you know that this is a new palette to me, and I did try it out. So I did use Zane, Fire Witch, Howl, and then I put Scorpio. Yeah, Scorpio as my shimmer. I did use the Nova on my inner corner highlight, and then I used Apollo just a little bit on for my highlight. I absolutely love the palette. I knew I would. It made a very pretty look. It was very effortless. So I did try that out. It is a winner. And then I did try out the Lucky Glow True Plus Luscious Bronze and Highlight palette. I used both of the deeper dark colors for my bronzer. I used the blush. I used this one just a little bit along with my bronzer. And then Heaven Sent was the other highlight I used, like on my chin, above my eyebrows, on my nose, that kind of thing. So I did try it. I do like it. So those are the palettes that I have on my face. I did also try out the Laura Geller Line and Define Gold and Black Eyeliner. I do have the gold in my waterline, and I did use the eyeliner to do my upper lash line, and it worked wonderful. I have no complaints here. Then on my lips, I am wearing the new mystery lipstick that came in my Jeffree Star mystery box. That is up. If you have missed it, please go back and watch it. So I have that on with a little bit of the Celebrity Skin in the middle. And I think I used, I used this one, and it is Mouthful as my lip gloss. Came out beautiful. I'm still using and loving the NYX Marshmallow Primer. I do want to do that primer video that I had talked about. We will be doing it. I'm working on it. So it will be coming. But let's go ahead and unbox my Boxycharm for this month. I did already cut the tape. I have not looked in here. I will tell you that the choice item that I picked was the bronzer by Iconic London, I believe is what it was. So your base box is always going to be red. And the theme for this month is Boxycharm Go All Out. There's cameras and pictures and flip-flops and sunglasses. So vacation, get out of the house, something. And I got Variation 44, Brett Guy Glam. I know y'all know who I'm talking about. Finally told me how to actually read that number. So if you know anything about it, that's what I got. It is C21080044BA. So the BA stands for base box, 821, variation 44. So there you go. That's what I got. So we're going to start with my choice item, and it is the Iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder. I got mine in the color light bronze. That is what it looks like in the box. Get something to open these things with. I do apologize. Okay, so oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. So let's go ahead and open it. It does have a cover on the mirror, and then there is that color. Man, I don't know. That's awfully light. Oh, I hate swatching stuff. If it doesn't work for me, then I feel like I've wasted it. Oh, that might not be too bad. See if we can build it up. Alright, well, maybe in the wintertime that will be a good shade for me. If not, I guess I'll be giving it to Samantha now. So there's my pick. I think a medium would have done better for me. This says the Ultimate Bronzing Powder retails for $35. We all know what a bronzing powder is. Define the face, available in 6 flattering shades to suit all skin tones. So I don't know if I picked the light color or if Boxycharm sent me the light. I don't know. But there is that, $35. Okay, the next thing we have is this, and this is Clean Skin Club Pineapple Glow Mist, Hyaluronic Acid, Peptides, and Antioxidants. So this retails for $38. Mist is formulated with pineapple enzymes, hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants to give dull, tired skin a healthy glow. Lightweight, fast-absorbing formula deeply penetrates and hydrates the skin. Mist onto clean skin after cleansing and before serums. So this is a skincare item. Feels heavy. Oh, because it's in glass. Okay, cool. I always love glass bottles. Super, super pretty. Let's see this mist. Okay. It doesn't have much of a smell, so if you are a person that smells bother you, this is not bad at all. I will definitely be giving that a try. I've never used anything from Skincare or Clean Skin Club. Excuse me. Okay, the next thing I have is from AM Beauty Care Dead Sea Minerals plus Caviar Makeup Remover Wipes. Removes even waterproof mascara, which I don't use waterproof mascara. I think it's horrible for your eyelashes. But nonetheless, that is what we have. These retail for $12. Cleansing face wipes that clear away all traces of dirt, oil, makeup, and impurities. Infused with caviar and Dead Sea minerals to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Feel fresh and rejuvenated in one simple step. The wipes go beyond removing makeup with an anti-aging ingredient that minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So maybe. I'm not going to open these. I am still working on the MAC makeup removers that Bizybeautystore sent me. So when these are gone, I will use these. These have been amazing. I'd never used MAC makeup wipes, but I do like these. They are very juicy. You can actually see and feel the micellar water in there. So makeup wipes, always needed. $12, very good price. The next thing we have is from Kate Somerville. This is Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Retails for $70. Now, Kate Somerville is a very expensive brand. I did end up winning a Kate Somerville X Boxycharm giveaway last year, I believe, or 2019. Anyway, most of the things in there irritated my skin. So I will try this just for the simple fact that it's a moisturizer, and I hope that it works for me. But if not, I know that Samantha loves this brand. So $70. Revive dull, dry, lackluster looking skin with Kate's Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Powerhouse ingredients remove dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. $70. Alright. Lactic acid and hyaluronic acid. Improves pores and texture while hydrating and smoothing for dewy, replenished looking skin. Some of the words on these boxes, the way that they make them, just... So it is in the simple white packaging. I love the little smiley face on the top. It does have a protector. Oh, and it's a greenish color. And it smells like... It smells like Fruity Pebbles. That's the best I can tell you. So that's what it smells like to me. Okay. And then the last thing in here is a eyeshadow palette. And this is hashtag give them Lalala Beauty. This is the Grown Woman palette. Well, by all means. And this retails for $42. Say hello to a gorgeous eye palette full of earthy, sunset colored mattes and foiled shadows. Includes 9 highly pigmented shadows that feel buttery soft and silky to the touch. These perfectly blendable shades effortlessly... Can y'all hear the thunder? It's gonna rain. Okay, well, it's an eyeshadow palette that retails for $42. I don't like the white packaging. Anybody who has a channel or does makeup constantly knows the white just never stays clean. I'm hoping that the eyeshadow palette itself is not white. It looks to be white though. Okay, so sleek, white, marbling looking cardboard. Oh, those are pretty colors. Okay, so that is what that palette looks like. Very fall colors. So I will definitely try that out. Yeah, super, super pretty colors. So I am a little upset that the bronzer does not, I don't think it's going to work for me. I will try it. Like I said, if it doesn't, it will work for Samantha since she is like, in better words, Teresa is dead. She is uncooked chicken colored. So we got an eyeshadow palette. We got a moisturizer. We got a glow mist. We got the bronzer. 1, 2, 3, 4. What else did we get? Oh, and the makeup wipes. And makeup wipes. So, yes, I think I got my money's worth. I will leave the full price of my box right here, so do check it out. Let me know if you are still with Boxycharm, what you think about the products that I received. Do you have these? Have you used them? What do you think about them? Do continue to watch the channel. I do have my Jeffree Star Pink Religion palette in. I can't wait to pull that out and do a look with it. I also do have the Star Ranch palette in, plus these other palettes that I got in add-on. I still have a couple of palettes from Bizybeautystore. So just keep your bell turned on, subscribe to the channel, give me a like, and I will see y'all in the next one. As always, stay beautiful, and remember, nothing is impossible. Even the word itself says, I'm possible. So until next time, guys, mwah. Love y'all. Bye.